many people.
Welcome to rush hour. Kirori, this way.
Okay, new plan. I'll figure this out. All right. Easy, I think. Not easy.
Would you like some help, dear?
Yes, please.
IC cards are the easiest. If unsure, buy the cheapest ticket. You can adjust later.
That's actually very helpful.
Found you.
I was pretending to be independent.
Sure you were.
Tap here to enter.
I like that sound. Which side?
Check the signs. Line destination platform.
I can read this now. I feel powerful.
Line.
Ah, right. Civilization.
Let passengers exit first.
Of course. That makes sense. Maybe not.
Correct choice.
Quiet spaces make everyone comfortable.
I am now a sandwich.
Bag in front helps.
Oh, space unlocked. Seat. Priority seat. Please, go ahead.
Thank you. Look at you.
Train rules. 1, quiet voice. 2, bag in front. 3, be thoughtful.
You learned fast.
It's simply caring for others.
Thank you for helping us.
We really appreciate it.
I enjoyed the journey.
Madam, your car is ready.
Madam?
Wait.
It has been a while since I rode the train. Quite lovely. Take care and say hello to Nikki.
How does she know Nikki?
And why do I feel like we just met someone important?
Achoo!
I have questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and save!